Hello everyone, hi. Before I start our second part of this video, I want to ask you, what is the differences between these two circles? Yes, it is very obvious that the integration of the trigo function in yellow circle has power. So, can we direct integrate when our trigo function has power on it? Okay, first look at our look at our blue circle here. I can direct integrate sine x to get negative cos x plus c. So same goes to integrate cos 2x, I will get sine 2x over 2, right? Okay, so I can easily direct integrate them. So what about, or what if I have powers on my trigo? I cannot direct integrate them. Hence, I need to use the method for this. So integration of sine to the power n and cos to the power n. So this only applies if our sine or cos has power other than 1. Okay, so I split into two cases. So first case, where my power n is even number. Even number is nombor genap. Okay, so first step, I use double angle formula. I rearrange them. I will show it to you later. And then I integrate. For second case, if my power n of sine or cos is an odd number means nombor ganjil. So first, we need to split the power. Second, we will use basic trigonometric identities as we can see here. And next, we will apply substitution method. We will see more examples later. Alright, so let's work on our first case here, where my power n is even number. Okay, so consider these two formula, double angle formula for cos 2x. We have three formula for cos 2x, but I'll just take two of them, where the first formula are cos 2x equals 2 cos square x minus 1, and the second formula cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so first I want to rearrange the equation on left hand side so that I will left with cos squared only on left hand side. So I just switch side. So 2 cos square x minus 1 equals to cos 2x. So I transfer 1 minus 1 to the other side, so I will get 1 plus cos 2x. Transfer 2 to the other side, so that I will left with cos squared x equals to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So by definition, if I integrate cos squared x dx, it is just the same as I integrate 1 plus cos 2x over 2 dx. So just remember this formula if you are about to integrate cos squared. Okay? So now let's work for the other formula. So I rearrange. I will bring negative 2 sine square x to left hand side. I will get cos 2x plus 2 sine square x equals 1. So our goal is I want to get sine square x equals something. Just sine square x on the left hand side. Okay, so rearrange even more. I will bring cos 2x to the right hand side. So I will get 2 sine square x on left hand side, and on right hand side I will get 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, so bringing 2 to the other side, I will get sine square x on left hand side, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 on my right hand side. So if I am about to integrate sine square x, it's just the same as I integrate 1 minus cos 2x over 2 dx. So don't forget to write dx, okay? So this is the formula for integration sine square. Now, if I summarize these two formulas for sine square and cos square, it is just the same as you can see here, but the difference is just the sign. For cos squared, it's 1 plus, and for integrate sine squared, it's 1 minus. So you need to just remember these two formula, or else you can derive it by yourself. So let's take a look at our example for first case here. So we have question A, integrate cos squared 2x dx. Remember the formula, cos squared x dx is equals to 1 plus cos 2x over 2 dx. So take a look at our question again. The theta is 2x. Okay, so we need to modify our theta here and here. So if I modify this, integrate cos squared, my new theta here is 2x. So what happened? Cos 2 multiplied by 2x over 2 dx. So I will get integrate 1 plus cos 4x over 2 dx. If you can see, it's doubled from 2x to 4x. Okay, so now we can continue. Integrate cos squared 2x is just the same as integrate 1 plus cos 4x over 2 dx. Okay, so I can take out 2 outside. So I have 1 over 2 integrate 1 plus cos 4x dx. Solve. Integrate 1 will get x. Integrate cos will get sine. And then copy theta 4x divide by differentiate theta 4. Close bracket, don't forget, plus c. And that's your final answer. Alright, so move to question B. Integrate 1 plus sine squared 3x dx. So I will split this integration into two parts so that you can see my steps even clearer. Okay, so integrate 1 is easy, but integrate sine squared, we need to apply the formula. Okay, so as we can remember, integrate sine squared x dx is just the same as integrate 1 minus cos 2x over 2 dx. Okay, so we need to modify the formula. As we can see in our question, the theta is 3x. So I need to change here. Okay, so to modify this, my theta now at the question is 3x. So the formula on the right hand side will be 1 minus cos 2 multiplied by 3x over 2 dx. So simplify even more, it's cos 6x over 2. Okay, so later if you dah terror, you can easily substitute the formula, okay, without conteng-conteng on right hand side like this. Okay, so I make it smaller. So now integrate 1 dx plus integrate, so I will substitute 1 minus cos 6x over 2 dx. So now I can integrate easily. Integrate 1 will get x plus. So for this part, I will take 2 outside. It will become 1 over 2. So on the inside, I will left with integrate 1 minus cos 6x dx. Okay, so just copy x plus 1 over 2. Integrate 1 will get x minus integrate cos will get sine. Copy theta will get 6x divide by differentiate theta will get 6. Close bracket plus c. Okay, so I want to expand this close bracket because I can see that I can simplify this x and this x. Okay, so I will expand my bracket. I will get x plus 1 over 2 x minus sine 6x over 12 plus c. So calculate these two, I will get 3 over 2 x minus sine 6x over 12 plus c. So that's my final answer.